Friendship is one of the very first things we learn about. We often unintentionally take on the mannerisms of our friends. Friendships are most stable and last longer when we know what annoys them. Half of our friends disappear every 7 years. Having good friends is as important to your well-being as staying healthy. If you are ignoring someone, then remember that you are teaching them to live without you. One day you will meet someone who will understand your story and will never want to see you hurt again. Just be patient. If you have a problem, give attention to the cause of the problem instead of the problem, so you will not have faced the same problem in future. Be careful whom you build with. Some people will use you for the foundation, then finish the structure with someone else.